Good morning, students. Already we have started chapter 2, relation and functions. Already we have studied about relations. Now today we are going to start about functions. What are functions? A function, actually relation already you know. What is? We started with the Cartesian product. Okay, Cartesian product of two non-empty sets is A cross B. And a relation is a subset of Cartesian product. A relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Now a function from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is a special kind of relation. Means some conditions are there. Okay, Cartesian product is a universal set. Then relation comes the subset of Cartesian product. Now function is a special kind of relation in which every element of A has one and only one image in B. Means relation can be elements which are in set A. Okay, which are in set A. That each and every element of set A has one and only one image in B. For each element X belongs to A, there exists Y belongs to B. Means what? That if a function is yours, function is from A to B, then any element X belongs to A, there exists a Y in B such that we will say XY belongs to function. F image of X is what? Y. F image of X is what? Equal to Y. Y is called the image of X under F and X is called pre-image of Y. See, just this is a definition. Just I am telling you how we are going to say. Suppose my set A, through arrow diagram I am telling you set A, here elements are A, B, C, D. Okay, and this is your set B. This is your set B. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and if I say that A is this is your F mapping. We can say F function or mapping. Okay, this set A element, this is what that image of Fx. Whatever related to element A, this is called F image of X element. Okay, so F of A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. Okay, that is, and D is not having any image, so this is not a function. This is not a function because our definition say each element of a should have one image in B, one and only one image in B. Okay, so here one element left. So I will be say what is my function. Actually they have given what? A image of A is 1, that B image of this 2, C image of this 3, and this function is like that. Okay, so it's not a function. Not a function. Why? Reason is what? Reason that element D has no image, but according to our definition every element of A has one and only one image in B. Okay, next example I am giving you one more like that. This can be a relation, this can be a relation, but it's not a function. Okay, now see, this is A. Again I am saying this is set B. This is your under mapping F, we call F mapping. Okay, this again A, B, C, D, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am saying what? A has image this one, and B is having what? That your image 3. Okay, and A is having image 4, and C is having 2. Okay, and D is also having image, we'll say 2. Okay, that is yours. So but this is also not a function. Why? Because function is saying according to this A is having image 1, A is having image 4, B is having 2, C is having what image? Your 2. Okay, and D is having image yours, B is having image yours, I have marked here 3. B is having 3, C is having 2, and D is having your image 2. Okay, that is this. I have made any example for telling you. Okay, this is again I will say it is also not a function. Not a function. Why not a function? Because this element A has 2 images, but according to our function is what? That your each element has one and only image, one and only one image. एक ही इमेज होनी चाहिए, पर एक ही इमेज 1 भी है, एक ही इमेज 4 भी है, तो इट्स नॉट अ फंक्शन. ओके, सो दैट इज इट कैन बी पॉसिबल दैट C एंड D हैविंग 2, ये केस पॉसिबल है, बट एक एलिमेंट 2 बार रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट शुड नॉट बी रिपीटेड. फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट शुड नॉट बी repeated in a function. Okay, means one element can't have 2 images. Okay, that's not a function. But simply if I say what? That your simple case, I will take this one. A, B, C, D. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. A is having image 1, B is having 2, C is having 3, and D is also having 3. Let it be, D is also having 3. So this is a function. Yes, this is correct. This is a function. How it is? A1, B2, C3, and D also 3. Okay. All elements have image. Correct or not? Every element of A has one and only one image. Okay, no first component is not being repeated. So this is the correct definition. Okay, and what I will say, the set of first components means set A, because every element must be having image. So set A हमेशा domain होगा. Set A will be domain of F. Set A will be domain of function F. Correct. And range of F. Range of F function की range क्या होगी? Second component 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, which you have like relation set of which are having image. Second component, set of second component. And codomain is set B, complete set B. Codomain क्या हो जाएगा? Codomain of function will be set B. Okay, that is okay. I expect that this definition is very important to understand what is a function. Means each and every element of A has one and only one image in B. This is actually the definition. Okay, so by these examples this must be clear. Now we are coming to one example of this one. Let A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These are the elements of set B. Function is defined as that X element is from A, Y is from B, and relation is given, means a special kind of relation, that function Y equal X square. Y equal X square. So you are going to put X here, what? 1. तो फंक्शन आ जाएगा 1. अगर पुट किया x की जगह तो क्या आना चाहिए? इमेज 1 की इमेज क्या है? 1 स्क्वायर 1. अगर 2 पुट किया तो 2 स्क्वायर 4. 3 पुट किया आपने तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3 3 जा 9, 4 4 4 जा 16. Here 1 2 3 4 only AR. Okay. Each element has a unique image. Each element has, so yes, this is a function. Yes, this is a function. This is a function whose domain is what? Whose domain, you know, the set of first element. So set A, or you can say this is equal to set A. That is the domain of the function. What will be range? Range of function F. What it is yours? Range of function is a second component, which are 1, 4, 9, 16. This range of, and range of F is actually the subset of, range of F is subset of codomain. किसका subset होगा? क्योंकि ये codomain का ही part है. It's a part. Each element belongs to set B. Yes. So range of F is subset of codomain. Okay. And codomain, you know, the set B. Set B is your codomain of the function. Okay. I hope you understood that how the function is there. Okay. And these elements are like, if you are saying 1 का image क्या है? 1. Okay. F image of 2 is 4. क्योंकि अगर आप इसमें 2 पुट कर रहे हो, means relation is what? Your relation is yours given what? That y equal x square. Y equal x square, actually we can write it fx is equal to x square. ये हमको क्या देता है? इमेज देता है. अगर मैंने 1 पुट किया f1 तो 1 स्क्वायर. अगर 2 पुट किया तो 2 स्क्वायर 4. अगर I will be putting 3 तो it will be 3 square 9. I will be putting 4 तो it will be 16. These are called second elements are what? F image of elements. F image of elements, correct? So we got this one. Now listen fast. Very important part of this function is domain and range. How to find out domain and range of a function? So what is domain of a function? I said that is each element. So set A is actually the domain of the function. And more means elaborate, if we want to elaborate it more, because question comes based on this only, find the domain and range of the function. Domain is the set of all those real numbers for which the expression for fx takes real value. मतलब ये जो fx है वो real values लेना चाहिए. Suppose my function is r to r, a real valued function. Real valued function when domain and range both are subsets of real numbers, n to n or z to z or r to r. This is real valued function. For real valued function, what is the domain? That fx should take real values is the set of all those real numbers for which the expression for fx takes real value. So I will be checking at x equals 0. अगर x equals 0 पुट कर दें तो 1/0 is not defined. तो fx is not taking real value. fx is not taking real value. So this is domain of this function. Domain will be ऑल रियल नंबर एक्सेप्ट ज़ीरो. तो फर्स्ट का डोमेन क्या होगा, आर माइनस एक्सेप्ट ज़ीरो. सिमिलरली एफ एक्स दिस वन, when it will be taking all real values, it should not be equal to ज़ीरो, should not be equal to ज़ीरो. ये कब कब ज़ीरो होगा, या 1 पे या -1 पे. तो डोमेन क्या हो जाएगा, डोमेन ऑफ आर, डोमेन हो जाएगा आर माइनस 1 -1, 1 -1 एक्सेप्ट 1 -1 ऑल रियल नंबर्स, क्योंकि 1 और -1 पे क्या हो जाएगा ज़ीरो, एंड डिविजन बाय ज़ीरो इज़ नॉट अ रियल नंबर. सो यू विल बी सेइंग दैट इज एफ एक्स इज डिफाइंड except 1 and -1. Similarly, this is also now clear. You can tell domain of this function, domain of this function, x will not take 3, value 3. So domain will be r minus 3. I hope you might have understood what is domain. Just I am clarifying now. Range of the function. Range of the function is what? Range of fx, set of all real values taken by fx at point in its domain, जिसके लिए x शुड बी रियल. मतलब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जो हमारा एग्जाम्पल से ज़्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा बेटा, दैट इज़ मोर क्लियर विद द एग्जाम्पल. रेंज ऑफ एफ एक्स वो है जिसके लिए x शुड बी रियल. तो x शुड बी रियल के लिए मैं एफ एक्स को क्या लिख सकती हूँ, y. दिस इज़ द algorithm हाउ यू गेट द रेंज. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, लिसन केयरफुली. x - 2 by 3 - x. आई विल बी चेंजिंग दिस एक्सप्रेशन इनटू x. y में जो एक्सप्रेशन दिया है इसको आई विल बी कन्वर्टिंग इनटू x. तो यू आर गोइंग टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हियर. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई विल गिव यू व्हाट, योर 3y minus xy equal x minus 2. I will be transposing here 3y plus 2 equal x plus xy. Take out common x, 1 plus y, and here 3y plus 2. So x is what? X is your 1 plus y by 3y plus 2. Got or not this one? That is, sorry, excuse me, written wrong. It is x is what, your 3y plus 2 by 1 plus y. No problem, that is okay. This is understood. This is in division. Now x takes real value except this should not be 0. So y should not be 0, means 1 plus y should not be equal to 0. So y should not be equal to -1. Means range is what? Range of f is r minus -1, either -1. When x will be all real numbers, when this should not be equal to 0. तो ये 0 किस पे हो रहा है, when y equal -1. तो y -1 नहीं होना चाहिए. For that x will take the real values. Means for range of fx, I need to convert the expression in the form of x. Then I will be telling you for which value this will be real. Very good example. This is to understand range of fx. This is the way how we solve. And mostly question from the function comes, find out the domain and range of the function. The last example I am giving you, this 16 minus x square function is given this one. Find domain and range of the real valued function. Real valued means functions r to r. Okay. So I know under root negative is not real. You know under root any negative value is not a real number, okay. Means it is actually imaginary number. Under root negative value, it should not be negative value. So इसका मतलब है कि 16 minus x square must be greater than or 0. 0 से नेगेटिव जाना ही नहीं चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए, 16 greater than 0. Okay, now listen how I will be checking this. This will take greater than 0. Very good method is there. I will be a square minus b square, 4 minus x, 4 plus x. I can write this. This is greater than 0. Okay. अब ये expression positive कब होगा? For this we will be using one method that is called sign scheme. Okay. So I will be taking 0, one real number line. I will be making it where it is minus infinitive to infinitive. You will be taking 0 of this one. 0 of 0 means 4 minus x equals 0. तो x क्या होगा? 1 0 4 आ गया. तो I will say 4. 4 plus x equals 0. यानी x क्या हो गया, -4. मतलब हमने अपनी पूरी रियल नंबर लाइन को 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया. माइनस इन्फिनेटिव टू -4, -4 to 4, 4 to इन्फिनेटिव. अब इन सब पार्ट में ये एक्सप्रेशन ग्रेटर देन 0 कब है? तो आई विल बी टेकिंग आर्बिट्री नंबर लेस देन -4. सपोज -5 पुट कर दो, -5 तो 4 minus -5 9. 4 नेगेटिव. ये टोटल अगर आप -5 लेते हो, पुट करो, ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन होगा पॉजिटिव इंटू नेगेटिव. तो ये माइनस. Now -4 to 4. Suppose 0 I am taking. Put here 0, 0, 0. 4 4 is 16. Positive value. Positive. Now 4 to infinity. Any number you take, just 5, 6, 7, whatever you want. 4.5. I am taking 5. 5 लेंगे तो 4 minus 5 -1 और ये पॉजिटिव. नेगेटिव इंटू पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव. ये ऑल्टरनेट ही चलता है, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव। तो यहाँ पे ये एक्सप्रेशन मुझे पॉजिटिव वैल्यू दे रहा है। तो डोमेन क्या हो गया, डोमेन ऑफ द फंक्शन, डोमेन ऑफ एफ एक्स इज़ फ्रॉम वेयर टू वेयर, -4 to 4 स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, क्योंकि -4 पे 0 आएगा, यू पुट हियर -4, इट इज 16 - 16 0, 4 भी ले सकते हैं, 16 - 16 0, सो इंक्लूडेड। अगर ये डिवीजन में होता तो नॉट इंक्लूडेड, सो आई हैव पुट हियर स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट। -4 to 4 एनी नंबर इफ यू आर पुटिंग, एफ एक्स विल टेक रियल वैल्यूज, ओके, दैट इज योर्स डोमेन। नाउ रेंज कैसे निकालते हैं आप रेंज, तो यू नीड टू सी दिस y इक्वल √16 - एक्स स्क्वायर, दोनों जगह स्क्वायर कर दो, y स्क्वायर इक्वल 16 - एक्स स्क्वायर, एक्स स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करो, एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल 16 - वाई स्क्वायर, तो x इज इक्वल 16 - वाई स्क्वायर। तो यू विल से y ऑल्सो, y बिलोंग्स टू -4 to 4, बट यू विल से y जो है रेंज है, रेंज तो आपकी ये पॉजिटिव ही होगी, नेगेटिव नंबर तो कभी आ ही नहीं सकता। एफ एक्स कुछ भी एक्स पुट करो नेगेटिव नहीं आएगा, तो आप ये एक्सेप्ट नहीं करोगे, आप बोलोगे y बिलोंग्स टू 0 to 4। यू नीड टू बी कंसर्न अबाउट योर सेल्फ ओनली, दिस इज द करेक्ट वे कि y जा रहा है -4 to 4, बट y तो यही है, y इक्वल क्या है, √16 - एक्स स्क्वायर, ये कभी नेगेटिव वैल्यू लेगा नहीं, तो -4 to 0 means this is before 0, we will be rejecting, we will take only positive value. So your range is -4 to 4 and sorry, your domain is -4 to 4 and this range is y belongs to 0 to 4, that is your range of the function, range of function. Okay, this is, go through one more time, very good questions are there, just very good topic, you need to practice in holidays. Thank you students.